Your regex should match whole words, not partial words. That is, you do not want to match hands-free money management. To do this, start by checking for spaces before and after your pattern. So our pattern is would be this one, the regular expression itself, and then it says before. So this is where we input the meta character /s, and then after it would be the same. To do this, start by checking for spaces, okay, before and after your pattern. You can do this by using the meta character rather, with a slash and s, which will match spaces, tabs, and line breaks. Now, what this code does and what is the instruction is trying to say is that the pattern should not match free, wait, the pattern should not match free money with other phrases. So it should not be applicable. The pattern should not be implemented or applicable with the phrase free money with other sentences. So it should be only implemented if the free money as a standalone phrase. By standalone I mean that it should be independent. It should be free money itself and alone. It means that when free money phrase appears, that is when the free regex or this pattern should be implemented, not free money phrase with other words or sentences. Nice.